Hi Study Buddies, it is currently summertime, and you know, summertime doesn't last that long. It might seem like 3 months, but it feels like 2 weeks. So it's actually July, which means it's back to school season. You're gonna see those back to school signs at Target, at Staples, at everywhere. And I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got from back to school, stationery hauls, supply hauls. I'm gonna take you shopping with me, and I'm gonna show you tips that I learned from high school. I'm gonna show you tips that I learned from middle school, all that kind of stuff. And I hope you guys will follow me throughout this whole journey of back to school season. I'm planning to do weekly posts. If I can't do weekly posts, I'm gonna try to do at least every other week, posting new videos and just new stuff for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, subscribe to this channel, Study with Inspo, follow my Instagram, Study with Inspo, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!